Good bullishness is seen in crude oil as I said yesterday beyond 73.5. It is back in the zone at 74.75, which is a crucial resistance zone indeed. Now trading at comfortably 74.5 levels. At the same time, NG has shown once again bearishness went in towards 2.1. Now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Also, you can be part of Telegram channel where you get the daily updates. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first. We'll look into your crude followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly charts first. See, yesterday I told you that only bearishness is below 72.8 levels. You can sell below. It failed to break past it. Tried to breach until towards 73, but reversed again and traded bullish. Now see what it is doing. It is trying to consolidate and trying to trade bullish here too. A breakout is awaited. Now if you also look at it is trading in this bullish channel which it is trying to create the lows and the highs. The highs right now are very close to 75 levels and hence you have to be watchful of 75. Now see, this is a very crucial zone for 74 75, and see any sell entry below is only is below 73.8 and 73.5. The resistance earlier are now going to be the support for the day. Now also if you look at, see, couple of bullish candles consolidation here, and once it breaks out we might see another round of rise there. The stochastic has dropped on the hourly chart. The MACD is trading with little divergence and is bullish. The RSI is back to overbought levels. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts to see increasing body size here, it is forming a pattern. I'll wait for the next candle. I'll wait rather for it to break past the previous highs. And see, this time because it is forming a pattern, it can give you second bullish candle which is going to take it above 75 levels, which it is trying to achieve right now. It appears that, see, increasing body size, so there could be another bullish candle there, and hence 75 almost might try to get achieved before it looks forward to any consolidation or drop. The stochastic is back to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence, trading with little bullishness. The RSI is also looking upwards and show a little strength there. Now look at the 3-hour chart taking the support from 20 period exponential average. Now it is trying to look upwards, and this is why it makes 73.5, 73.8 levels as a very good support, and hence a sell entry exists only at those levels. Also if you look at this drop retracement, it is formed the crater and now trying to look upwards. And if you look at after this bullish candle, a big bullish move, it is trading sideways within this zone. 75 is the level. I will wait for it to break past by. Beyond that, further bullishness will take it for 75 point, you can say 75.8, 76 level, 76.5 levels again. The stochastic is extremely overbought. The MACD is trying to cross over for a buy entry again, and the RSI is trying to look upwards and show a little strength. If you look at the 4-hour chart, the story is more or less the same. Here you can see the 20 and 100 period crossover, and in fact the 50 and 100 period crossover is to be seen, which will make it bullish. And yesterday the last trading day for the month, and if you look at, see, after the sharp drop you can find out the crude oil is trading in this channel here. The highest something I will look forward to is 75 and 75.8 if it stays above 74 point, rather 73.8 level. Also look closely on the 3-hour charts. Multiple bullish candle here. The bullishness is diminishing. I will wait for it to break past 74.8 and then you can expect 75, 75.8 levels. Now 75 is going to play a very important role. That is a very good resistance. We have seen it earlier giving support multiple times. Now it may try to give the resistance there. The stochastic is looking up, trading overbought. The MACD is trying to converge crossover again for a buy. RSI back to overbought levels. And if you look at the daily charts, now see, first of all, see 74 levels and 75 levels. If you draw the line there, you will find multiple candles either getting supported from 74 or from 75 levels. Now this is a very strong zone for oil because beyond this it may try to put itself back in the bullish zone. However, you have to note that now the next highs which it needs to break is at 80 level, 78 80 zone, and then 82. If it does, then it is to be considered as a reversal. Also, if you look at the drop there and the retracement there, the slope is different, and it has to give a vertical move in order to reverse from here. Right now it is still retracing, and now I'll wait for the second candle here. See the next charts here, it's yet to start. The next candle on this chart is just yet to start. Higher highs are seen, and hence yes, 74.8 and 75, if these two levels are broken today, stay long in oil, and we are going to look at further bullishness. Also look at 72.8. Yesterday also I showed you, and see 72.8 again is going to play a very important role for the day. Even if it reverses from here, these levels are going to play a very important role. So for the day, I will recommend you to sell at 73.8, expect 73.4, 72.8 levels as a very good support, and if it draws below this, then only consider this as bearish. Stochastic is back to overbought. The MACD on the other hand has crossed over, and this is divergent. This is bullish. This crossover is happening at lower levels, and this is indicative of bullishness. See, I told you here, you can find out the reversal, you can find out the reversal, you can find out the reversal. It is still looking upwards, showing some strength. RSI is also trying to look upwards. So for the day, see, first of all, a sell entry only exists below 73.8, and 7, see, below that also till 72.8. Do not consider this as bearish. Yes, you can sell there, however you have to keep trailing your stop losses. 73.4, 73 as a very good support, and then 72.8 as a very good support. On the upside, rather, I'll recommend you to stay long till the time it stays above 74.4. Expect 74.8, 75, and once it stays above 75, just further bullishness will be seen till towards 75.8, 76.5 levels. Till 76.5 I don't expect, but yes, in between 75.5 and 75 and 75.8, it might try to hit at one point of time. So take your trades accordingly. You can stay long above 74.4 and sell below 73.8 for this $0.6. Do not trade. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for net gas. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the net gas movement. See here, you can see this formation. This is a similar formation. So there is possibility again that it can try to achieve or retrace the slightly higher retracement levels on the upside, which are now situated at around 2.15 levels. Now also, if you look at how it is behaved, 2.1 is a very good support. We have seen this getting reversed from the same levels, which are also the previous lows we had seen few days back. Yes, a little lower it has achieved this time. However, it is a very good support at 2.1. Now look at the hourly chart. See, rise, retracement. You can see multiple candles shying away from 2.13, 2.135 levels, and hence you can buy at 2.135, expect 2.15, and then beyond 2. Rather, I will say 2.16 will get achieved if it breaks past 2.135, 2.14 zone. 2.16 is the next target here, and hence you can stay long if you see it trading about 2.135, 2.14 levels. But at the same time, see, rise, retracement, taking the support here at 2.11 levels. So in between these levels, at least till 2.1, I will not recommend you to sell. Below 2.1, further bearishness can be seen there. The stochastic is looking down. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. It is still in sell. The RSI is looking down and trading bearish. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can find out, see, trading with divergence on the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, 2.1 giving it a very good support. Lower highs, lower, and hence once you see it trading about 2.135, you can stay long for 2.15, 2.17, and in fact it can further reverse from there till towards 2.2. Possibility exists. The stochastic is seen rising. The MACD is trying to cross over for a buy. It is still in sell. RSI is trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, consistently it is trading below the 20 period moving average. It tried to breach couple of times, but then in between 20 and 50 period moving average, it has got the stronger resistance. And hence this makes 2.15, 2.17 zone as a very stronger resistance, and hence you have to be watchful of this. Yes, you can buy here at 2.135, 2.14 zone, and then stay long. Now see on the 3-hour charts also higher highs and a flat bottom. So here's a sell entry is only below 2.1 levels there. The stock stick is flat near to bottom. The MACD is flat. The RSI is also very near to the bottom there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see multiple red candles you have seen in the series, and see lower highs and consolidation levels we are seeing here, and hence possibility of a reversal exists, but then you have to be very very cautious here. The stock stick is reversing from the bottom, trying to overcome out of the oversold zone. The MACD is flat, the RSI is trading near to the bottom, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you can see this. See, the new candle is yet to start. However, with the candle of indecision, this is what I told you, that beyond this, certainly more break, and see, it has achieved 2.1 levels. Now, also, if you look at it, is trading in this bearish channel. We have to wait for it to break past 2.1 again in order to confirm for a second red candle, taking it till towards, say, below 2.1, 2.05 and $2 levels are the levels which it might try to look at, which is not only a stronger support but a stronger psychological level, the $2 levels, and hence you should be watchful of this. The stock is trading oversold. The MACD is trading bearish with very little divergence. The RSI is trying to look down again, trying to trade bearish, and hence see, for the day you can buy 2.135, but then expect 2.15, 2.17 as very good resistance, and only reversal confirmation is if it trades about 2.2. Certainly we can expect it to rise again. Yes, it is trading oversold. Yes, we have seen multiple red candles there, and hence you have to be watchful, but still the bearishness is not over. Then you have to be cautious here. Yes, 2.1 is the level below which you can stay short, but then you have to expect 2.08, 2.05 levels are going to be very very good support, and then below 2.05 we are going to look at $2 levels, if not today, possibly by next week. Yes, these might get achieved before it tries for a retracement. Remember, $2 levels are not only a stronger support but also a very very important level for net gas, and hence this zone at 2.18, 2.0, oh sorry, 1.98 and $2 levels are going to play a very important role for net gas. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.